Hey guys, my name is Anand and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Google Analytics cross-domain tracking. With Google Analytics cross-domain tracking, you are able to combine the analytics results of two different domains into one single entity. Generally, when you have two different websites, you will have two different analytics code, and any hits, any visits will be counted as two separate users. But there are situations where you want to combine the analytics results from two different domains into one single entity. A classic example is, let's say you have your example.com, which is your business domain, and then let's say people check out and they actually convert on a third-party e-commerce store, say for example mysite.com. In that case, when a person leaves your first website and goes to your third-party e-commerce platform for checking out, Google Analytics will generally consider they are two separate users, and basically all the metrics such as time spent, number of page visits, bounce rate, exit rate, everything will be considered as two separate entity. But since everything is happening within one single session, and you want Google Analytics to consider your business website and your e-commerce platform as one single session, you would want to enable cross-domain tracking. So let's log into Google Tag Manager, and I'm going to quickly show you how you can enable cross-domain tracking. Alright, the first thing that you want to do is log into your Google Tag Manager, and then choose your tag, choose the Google Analytics tag, and then make sure that you enable, you check this box that says enable overriding settings in this tag, because that will give you more options, and it will allow you to add all the parameters that I'm going to show you that is required for cross-domain tracking. So enable this box, then click on more settings, and then click on fields to set, and then click on add field, and then the first thing that you want to do is click on allow linker, and then set the value as true. Make sure that this is lowercase. Okay, by doing so, it will tell Google that you want to automatically modify the links on your website, and basically it is telling Google to synchronize the click activity using cookies. So what I mean is, when someone goes to your e-commerce platform, the click activity is automatically synchronized with your first domain, that is example.com. It's basically telling Google that, hey, you need to synchronize the activity between both the domains, and that's what allow linker true is basically telling that. The next thing that you want to do is click on add field, and then click on cookie domain. Search for cookie domain, and then set that value to be auto. Okay, this is telling Google Analytics to automatically choose a cookie domain when tracking users. So Google Analytics might choose this will be the cookie domain, and basically it will set the cookies on this website, or it will set cookies on this website, but it doesn't matter. Ultimately, it's up to Google Analytics to choose a domain for cookie tracking. Alright, then what you want to do is scroll down and click on cross-domain tracking, and then in this field you want to enter both your domains. So you want to enter example.com. So I'm just taking an example over here, so I'm going to enter example.com comma mysite.com. it's comma, whoops, example.com comma mysite.com. Okay, don't worry about adding www. Just add, just add your first domain name.com and your second domain name.com, and that's pretty much it. And basically this tells Google which domains that needs to be tracked, and it informs Google Analytics which domains you want to link together and enable cross-domain tracking. So that's pretty much it. Basically log into Google Tag Manager, choose your Google Analytics tag, enable overriding, add allow linker equal to true, cookie domain equal to true. Under cross domain, add both the websites using a comma, and then hit save, and then hit submit, and then publish. That's pretty much it, guys, in terms of how you can enable your cross domain feature. Now when you log into your Google Analytics, and then when you see the real-time report, you will notice that Google Analytics is considering website activity between both the domains as one single session or one single user instead of two separate users. So that's how you can enable cross-domain feature. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.